So today I am showing you guys all my fidgets that I have. I have some needles and some dumplings and some other stuff that are really cool. So let's just get started. Okay, so first I have this like glitter squishy. It's filled with glitter and stuff. And you can like squish it. Well, obviously because it's squishy. It's so pretty. This one's one of my favorites. And we have this jumbo like spike squishy. It's filled with air. And next I have this gumdrop. It's a needle one. It's a needle gumdrop. It's a hard one. If you guys have any needles or dumplings, comment down below. So I have this gumdrop next. And I have this poppet. I have a poppet. Yeah, I have some poppets. I got like two. Got two poppets. Okay. And next, let's do this one. This one's a hard squishy too. It's not a needle or anything. It's just a normal squishy. So I got this one. It's filled with glitter and I think gel. I don't know, but I know it's filled with glitter. And I have this one. It's like a, you know these kind of fidgets probably. If you do, comment down below. I have that one. And I'm gonna show you guys one of my good dumplings. I have this glitter one. Comment down below if you think this one's a rare because I don't know. I don't know if this one's rare. It doesn't have a face. It washed off when I squished it, so. But it's still a real dumpling. I have this glitter one with blue glitter. And this one, it's a slime squishy. It's color changing. It's very weird. It's very weird textures. It turns pink to red. This one's just a normal squishy. It's not a needle or a dumpling or anything. And then I have this purple one, this purple dumpling. Yeah, I have this one, and also I have this ice cube. I don't know. This isn't a needle, I don't think. It doesn't say needle on it, so I don't think it's a needle, but it's still very satisfying and stuff. Look, hear this. It's filled with ice. And I have this koala. It's filled with air. It's just filled with air. Let's see. I have this ice cube needle. It says needle on it, right? Let me find it. Right here it says needle. Right there. You can barely see it probably, but it says needle. It might be backwards for you guys, is it? Here, I'll turn it around and see. There, oh wait. No. There we go. It says needle right there. Yep, this one's a real needle. It's a swirly ice cube. And then I have this burger one. It's just a normal squishy. It's a burger. And I have this alien normal squishy. It's an alien. It pops up by its sides. Yeah, I have this pink alien one. And I have this heart poppet. Remember when I told you I had two? This is my second one. So, yeah. And this one. Let's see. I have this hard squishy, if you can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. I have this one. You can stretch it. And this one's a fake needle. It's not a real needle. It's fake, but it's still a nice cube. It's still very fun to squish. And this one is a fake needle. I already told you guys that, but so it's still fun to squish and it's still squishy. So, and I have this guy. It's hard. It's a hard one. Like, look. You can stretch his arms. Look. Yeah. This guy's stretchy. Yeah. And I have this axolotl. His face is rubbing off, but it's I don't know. It's like a sand squishy. Yeah, sand squishy. I just remembered. You can stretch it like this. Oh wait, I pulled my hair. Right, see? Yeah, it's a sand squishy. And then I have this purple dumpling. It popped. I just taped it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna throw it away, but I wanted to show you guys before I throw it away. Should I throw it away? Comment down below. Should I throw it away or should I give it one? Or should I give it to you guys? I'm gonna throw it away, I think. And then lastly, I have this bunny, and I have one more, this bunny needle. This one is a real needle. It says needle right there. Needle. So it says this one's a needle. And I have this cat needle. Look, here. And yeah, that's all my squishies. I have that big one and all of them right there. So, love you guys. Bye. See you in my next video.